Hi, welcome to the Craft House by April. Today we're going to be making these adorable wooden teacher desk signs. They can also be used to hang. I make these twice a year, in December for Christmas gifts and also in May for teacher appreciation gifts. And I actually sell them around town every year, probably for the last 4 years. They're a really big hit. I'm pretty sure almost every teacher in Hamilton has one at this point in time. But today I'm going to teach you how you can make your own, since Teacher Appreciation Week is coming right up in about a month. So get ready for that. So the supplies we're going to be using today is a 14-inch 1x4 that has been cut to a point. You're going to need a ruler and a pencil. And I use these brushes, are my choice in brushes. You can decide what you have at home or what you'd prefer to use. But these are the ones that we're going to be using. We're going to be using some acrylic paint, coral reef, mustard yellow, dark gray, and jet black. And then we're going to be using this twine to tie the bow, which actually I got at Dollar Tree. And I keep stock on this. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is I like to make my zigzag at the top. And that's just to trace it out, and then I kind of erase it a little bit so it's not too dark. And then I'll take, I will measure and let you know about how far I went over. The eraser is going to be, actually, the metal part is going to be the width of the ruler. So, if this is going, I always do it by whatever I think is right. It's 2 inches. 2 inches on the eraser, and it looks like a little over an inch, but just the width of the ruler. So then from there, I go ahead with my mustard yellow. And you're going to paint the whole middle section yellow. And then I also do the tops like this. Okay, so that is step 1. Okay, so for the second step, I'm going to be using one of the smaller brushes and using the gray paints. And we're going to paint this middle section. You just want to follow the pencil line. I have to say, these pencil signs have gotten pretty crazy at times. We have had a straight up pencil factory in this house. And it was definitely worth it. I even had to keep my stepdaughter home with me one day. And I taught her crafts and business. And I told her when she gets to college, she can use this if she needs to make some money, some side hustle. She can sell teacher pencil signs. Okay. So that is step number 2. Let's move on to step number 3. And we're going to paint the eraser. Now, when I paint these in bulk, I will first pencil out, I'll pencil them all out, and then I will do the yellow first, and then I'll do all the grays, and then I'll do all the pinks, and so on and so forth. For this next step, we're going to use this brush right here and get into our coral. Didn't mean to turn that camera around on you. Got my husband here today helping me videotape. Usually this is dry, so it's not as hard to handle. All right, look at this. We are getting close to being done already. And then I'm going to get into another smaller brush and do the tip of the pencil. And I will do both sides of the tip because it's not going to sit down on a table. Okay. Okay, now that this is dry, I'm going to go ahead and cut my twine. With those scissors. Okay, so usually just measure it. Need it about that high. And just so I know, for you, let's see, it's a little over 24 inches. And there we go, and I just cut off the string. Okay, so that is how you make an adorable wooden pencil sign for your teacher, or your child's teacher, or your friend that's a teacher. And what I do is customize their names on here and put a little heart. But what I'm going to do for this one is, this is going to be a giveaway. So I am going to mail this out to somebody that likes, comments on the YouTube channel video, and subscribes to our channel. So if you can do that, I will put you in a drawing to win this pencil sign. And I'll be doing the drawing on April 5th, Friday, April 5th. So please share, like, and comment. Thanks for joining me. Bye.